stop racism because it can affect people in different ways.
How racism can affect people's lives.
How racism is displayed.
Can we tell the religion? Sometimes people wear headscarves. That's a good point.
Exactly! When you hate someone or try to commit a crime against someone because of the color of their skin, it's hate crime.
Yeah, because they're so at the right places.
I've got young children, even younger than you guys. And one thing you know about young children, if you ever go to a kindergarten or a nursery, they all play together, they don't see colour. So what racism is, it's ignorance and a little bit of fear as well of people they don't know. So it's really nice seeing such a mixed audience of you guys. In an ideal world, having such a mix of people breaks down all those barriers.
Education is key, but there's a lot more that we can do moving forward, and together we educate in the right direction. We can get rid of it, but it is a massive battle.
We could appreciate each other for who and how we are if racism went. We could look at all the qualities of each other and not take time looking at what we could bring each other person down for.
There's multiple types of abuse, like transgender identity and disability.
Racism can really hurt people and that they can get really upset.
I've learned how racism can really affect people's lives.
We should tell people who adults to us when we face racism.